Hi, neighbor, I need some new fleece for my new flannel shirt. Do you think you have any?
Well, Bob, I don't think we do, but I can look into it for you.
Thank you, Fred. Honey, should I keep my apple pie and my cranberry sherbet? Apple pie. Okay. Johnny! I told you not to cut the hot cheese! Gosh, it's these days! Gotta cook me some dinner. What are we gonna have tonight? Bang, bang, bang! Gotta go get it. I'm gonna get you, squirrel! Hi, Pops! A little big.
What we having for dinner?
We're having squirrel. It's a little big though. Go see what your mother's doing.
Okay.
How am I gonna get this squirrel?
Excuse me? Sir?
Yes?
Have you seen our camcorder?
No.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Positive?
Uh-huh.
Absolutely, positively.
Yes, I absolutely, positively, 100% do not know where your camera is.
Really?
Yes, really.
There it is! You liar!
No!
Peace!